Reformation proposal for the Central Bureau of Investigation. There is a very important update regarding the Central Bureau of Investigation, CBI. The agency is undergoing scrutiny and proposed reforms. The department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Personnel, Public Grievances, Law and Justice has recommended various changes to enhance its operational efficiency and accountability. These reforms aim to meet up the current challenges faced by the agency, including personnel shortages and legal limitations on its investigative powers. In this context, we may know some very important information about the agency. As we all know, the Central Bureau of Investigation, CBI, is a domestic crime investigating agency of India, formed in 1963 through Delhi Special Police Establishment Act, originally set up to investigate bribery and governmental corruption. At present it operates under the jurisdiction of the Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievances and Pensions. However, it received expanded jurisdiction to investigate breaches of central laws enforceable by the Government of India, multi-state organized crime, multi-agency or international cases. The most important thing is CBI is exempted from the provisions of the Right to Information Act. The CBI headquarters is located in CGO complex, near Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium in New Delhi. Now come to the context of recommendations. Recently, the department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Personnel, Public Grievances, Law and Justice presented its 145th report in the Parliament. The report highlights some challenges of the agency. First of all, recruitment of suitable officers for deputation. There are problems for delays in documentation, as it has been facing reluctance from state police forces, and the cause may be lack of incentives, which contributing factors to these challenges. Next, the agency needs for personnel reforms. To solve out the problem, the report emphasizes the necessity of building a permanent cadre within the CBI. It suggests direct recruitment for core ranks, such as deputy superintendents of police, inspectors, and sub-inspectors. This can be achieved through the Staff Selection Commission, the Union Public Service Commission, or a dedicated CBI examination. In short, the goal is to reduce reliance on temporary deputation and ensure a stable workforce. There is a suggestion of lateral entry for specialists also. To enhance expertise, the panel recommends lateral entry for specialists in fields like cybercrime, forensics, and financial fraud. This approach aims to attract skilled professionals who can contribute effectively to the CBI's operations. Now come to the next point: legal framework for investigations. The report highlights legal hurdle, which basically comes from the state governments. 8 states have withdrawn general consent for CBI investigations, limiting its ability to tackle organized crime and corruption. The panel proposes a new law empowering the CBI to investigate cases affecting national security without needing state permission. This law must include safeguards to maintain impartiality and respect the federal balance, transparency, and accountability measures. The committee also calls for transparency in the CBI's operations. It states that the CBI publishes case statistics and annual reports on its website. One of the most important things is that there is a suggestion of a centralized case management system, which should allow public access to non-sensitive case details. This initiative is expected to enhance accountability and build public trust in the agency. The report suggests for streamlining the recruitment processes and improving incentives to attract and retain skilled personnel. The establishment of an in-house expertise team is also recommended to reduce dependence on external consultants. If you like this informative video, please subscribe the channel for next update. Thanks.